So Google just released a new tool that lets you create unlimited video for free, and no one seems to be talking about it. If you are a content creator, storyteller, or you are just looking to explore some new AI tool, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create unlimited video 100% free. So let's get started.
Head over to your browser and search for Google Vids, and once you hit on enter, it will bring you to this interface. Ensure that you click on this first one, this one that has AI powered video creator and editor. Once you click on it, it is going to bring you to this interface. Now you're going to need to sign in to Vids in order to use it. Like I said, this is a brand new tool that a lot of people do not know about, so it is wise that you jump into it and start using it now that it's still free and unlimited. So once you click on sign in, you sign in with your Gmail, and once you're all signed in, it will bring you to this interface. Now there's a lot that you can do with the tools in this interface. You can see that this tool has the VEO 3.1, which is the latest model of VEO 3 in here, which you can use to generate up to 8 seconds video. This can be generated in your landscape mode or in the portrait version. Now with this tool, you can also convert slide. You can turn your presentations into videos with AI in here. You can also record yourself or record both yourself or your screen on this platform, and then you can also use this platform to upload media and drive from your photos from your computer. There's literally a lot that you can do. It also has storyboard. This means that you can generate a video outline with complete stock media, so you can generate a video with every tools you need in here. You don't need to go and start to create the image or bring the images from different place. You have everything in here. But for this video, we're going to focus on generating videos using VEO 3. So what you're going to do is to come in here and select whatever aspect ratio you want to go with. Do you want to use the landscape, the portrait, whatever works for you? So I'm going to go ahead and use landscape, and then once that is clicked, go ahead and select VEO 3.1, and once it is selected, it will bring you to this interface. You might just want to close this so that you have a proper look of your workspace. So this is your workspace. Please note that this works perfectly on your smartphone and using your system, so whichever way it works. The smartphone might just be a bit different, but if you follow the steps that I'm using from in here, you can still do this same thing on your smartphone. So once you come over to this part, you're going to see AI video clip, and then you can see your VEO 3 model there. And then there is this part that has create from scratch. This would help you create videos from either text or images, or you can also animate an image. We're going to be trying both of them so you see how it works. So now we're going to click on this part that has create from scratch. I already have a text that I want to use to create a video from scratch. You can also generate your text using ChatGPT. It works. I actually use ChatGPT to generate mine. So once you paste in your text in here, what you're going to do is to take out whatever that you do not need. So if you come over here, you can see that if you decide that you don't want this to be in landscape, you want to change the aspect ratio, you can still change it in here. Now after that is done, you're going to see this part that has generate. Click on it and you would begin generating your video. This literally takes seconds to generate, and after it is done, this is what it looks like. Now you can see how beautiful this look. This is an animated version of a video. It's actually an animated version of a story that I'm making, so I'm going to quickly play it to hear how it sounds like.
This place is great. I'm glad we came.
Me too. I was hoping you'd like it.
Cheers to that.
So you can see the outcome of this video. It has perfect lip sync, perfect motion. Everything looks perfect. You might be wondering if it is just 3D videos that a tool like this can create. So let me just quickly use this tool to create a realistic content so that you see how it looks like. So I'm just going to quickly paste in my prompt in here in the prompt section, and after that is pasted, I'm gonna hit on generate, and it is already generating. And here is our video here. Let me play it so you hear what it sounds like.
I swear you won't believe what happened next. Oh my god, seriously, he said that.
So you can use this to create any series at all or any kind of videos at all, whether folktales, whether animated or influencer kind of video. So in order to see what you're working with properly, you can always drag it and bring it to your workspace. This is your workspace and it gives you a better view of your video. Now you can recreate this video using the exact prompt. Let's say you do not like what you're seeing, you can always recreate the video and you can always replace this video with maybe an item or with something else. So now that we've learned how to generate this video using text, let's go ahead to generate this same video but using an image. So let's say you just want to animate an image, you do not want to create from scratch, you already have an image you generated somewhere but you want to animate them. Just come over to this part that has create from scratch, click on it, you see the drop down bar that will tell you to animate an image. So you go ahead and click on animate an image and then it is going to bring you in here and then you will see this part that has add image. Go ahead and click on it and it will take you to this part where you just have to click on agree, and once you click on agree, take you to your device and then you can select whatever image that you would want to use. So I'm going to go ahead to select this image and then hit on enter and you can see the image is loading in here and it just finished loading. So you're going to come over to your prompt section and put in the prompt that you want your image to say or whatever it is you want your image to display. I'm going to go ahead to put in this prompt and this is what I want my king to say because this is an image of a king, and once I hit on generate, it is already generating a video from my image and it's already done generating within few minutes, and this is what it looks like.
Well, in this video, Social Media Bestie will show you a tool to create unlimited videos.
So now let's say you want to download this video because a lot of people might have an issue with downloading this video. What you're going to do is to drag this to your timeline so it comes over to this your workspace, and then you come over to this part that has share, click on it, you're going to see this part that has download as mp3 form, click on it to download. And then you do this for the rest of your video. Either you click on the video individually so that it comes in here, click on share and then go over to download as mp4 and you have all your videos ready. Numbers of videos that you can download using this are unlimited. A lot of people do not know about this yet, so do well to give this a try before it goes off, and I'm hoping that it does not because it has been helping me a lot with creating my videos. So if you're getting value from this video, at this point you need to subscribe to this channel and write value in the comment section. You can also do well to explore other aspects of this tool. If you like the way I am screen recording my screen and you want to record both your screen, you can try and use the record. There are a lot of tools that you can use here, a lot that I cannot cover on this video. So do well to explore and let me know what you think in the comment section. So let me know if you got value from this video, and do not forget to subscribe, like this video and share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.